so today we're gonna do a foundation routine, which is what y'all voted on. It was a super close vote between an eye tutorial and the foundation routine, but the foundation routine did win. So here we are. It's just pretty basic. I show you guys my concealer, foundation, primer, powder routine, and it's a good time. If you guys want to stick around and see how that goes, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get the hair out of the face. Normally I wear like a headband, but I already have my hair kind of half up, so we're good. I look like a greased chicken because I just put on all my skincare, and now we're gonna prime. So I use the primer water from Smashbox. I don't know if this actually does anything, but it feels really nice. So yeah, I put this on, and then I am going to use my Kane & Austin primer. I love this because it has SPF 50, so it's so good, and we love taking care of our skin. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in the middle of my hand. You don't need like too much, and I'm gonna mix it with the NYX pore filler. I've been trying this out. It's actually pretty good. It comes out kind of scary. I don't know if you can see that one's. I don't know. It looks kind of like broken up, but I'll warm it up in my hand and then apply it to my face. And then press it. Okay, we are primed, we are ready. My first step is actually concealing any like spots that I want to cover. I bought a mic and I totally forgot to turn it on until right now, so if the sound just changed, that'd be why. Okay, so we're gonna conceal with concealer. Duh, that was a silly thing to say. I use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I prefer potted concealers for covering up like blemishes or something, as opposed to a liquid. I just feel like it's a little more pigmented and you can place it and not worry about it like slip sliding around the face. And I'm going to use a concealer brush from Sephora. Mine's very dirty, gross. I have some, like these aren't even active, they're just leftover red spots from when I broke out a month ago. But we're gonna cover that, and don't worry about blending it, like leave it kind of patchy, because we're gonna let it sit and then we'll put the foundation on top. So over here I do have little mask breakout, and then the same thing. I also have some freckles I don't mind showing, but I don't know, some, like when I finish all my makeup they come through and they don't look like freckles, they look like a breakout, so I end up covering them. And then I have like a little psoriasis eczema situation right here, but I'm gonna wait because we will do under eye concealer and that will take care of that. So I'm gonna give this a second. Now that that has kind of set on the skin for a minute, we'll go in with the foundation. So I'm gonna do a blend of foundations today. We're blending everything. We're blending our primer, foundation, and concealer, and powder, because I don't know when to stop. Okay, so we have the Infallible and the Synchro Skin, L'Oreal, and Shiseido. These are the two I've just been using recently, but I honestly have a lot of favorite foundations. I don't have just like one. And I think that's just because I have combo skin, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's a little more difficult for combo skins to like find a winning foundation, in my opinion. So we'll just do like half a pump of this Synchro skin. Get the hair out of the way, and then shake this one really well. And we'll do onto the face directly because this one's a little more liquidy. Like also half a pump. I did a full pump the other day and it was like way too much. Okay, so now that we look ready to go, we'll blend it. I have the Real Techniques brush that it looks like I bit. I did not. This isn't, I said brush, this is a sponge. You guys, I didn't have coffee this morning and it shows. Okay, so in this clip, I'm speeding it up because it takes so long, but just make sure you're not dragging it and really press it into your skin. Okay, so that's pretty good. See how it just kind of like you don't need to put concealer on top. I will put it on this one's a little red. These two are still red because they're like active. Pore counts. Thanks, Mother Nature. Okay. Nice. So that's good. And then I always brush my brows out before I do my under eye concealer. I don't know why. And I'm gonna get my powder ready to set because I set fairly quickly after I put my concealer on. I'm gonna use the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass and Banana. That's the color. It's not like a crazy banana powder. Like some can be like straight yellow sometimes. This one's very nice. Okay, there we go. And for concealer, I'm gonna use this KOSAS. I don't remember what the full name of this is, but it's the KOSAS concealer and it looks like this. It's really pretty. This is more of my actual skin tone, so then to like highlight that area, I'm gonna use the Kimchi Chic The Most concealer because this is like 2 shades lighter than my face, so I'll show you. So I take the one that's more my skin tone, and I'm gonna put it on the outer bit of my eye and the outer bit of my lid. And then on the inside, we'll put this one because it's definitely brighter. Oh my god. That almost went right in my eye. That would have been terrifying. I probably don't need this much because this concealer is really pigmented, so that might have been a mistake. Okay, now we blend. Nice and bright. Okay, and then we'll just go in and set that. I set my under eye. I don't bake my under eye unless I'm doing like some crazy eye look, but on a regular basis I do not bake my under eye just because I feel like it kind of makes it look really dry, and I don't even have dry skin, so yeah, you just gotta be careful with the baking. And using a damp sponge to press in your powder is just going to really help make everything like really blend into the skin nicely and look a little more skin-like. Okay. Oop, I have a little sleepy. Okay. So we have set the under eyes, and now I'm going to use basically the same technique, same powder, everything, to set the rest of my face. So let's go. Okay, so we're looking set, we're looking matte. My thing is I do so much like skincare where I look really glowy to start with, and then I kind of like mattify the skin pretty much completely, and then as the day goes on it'll glow. I don't get like slip slidey makeup. I don't know, I found that it works for me, blending like glowy skincare with more like matte makeup products. It's like a good, because I'm combo, it's a good combo. Okay, my final touch for foundation is this Matte Velvet Skin Powder from Makeup Forever. It's really nice. It's like that. And I don't put this everywhere. I really just put it right here and right here, because that's where I have like any acne scars, or that's where we hit the breakouts, and I have some freckles that I don't love. So I'm going to take this little puff and do that. Ta-da! Okay, so that was my foundation routine. It's really not that crazy, but this is it. I hate this thing. It's not even a breakout anymore. It's just like my skin is just but I think it looks pretty decent and it holds up all day. So I guess I will just do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. So, and we're back. Okay, so this is my final look for today. A little pink. Who's surprised? Not me. Thanks guys for watching. This is just kind of like my go-to foundation routine for the moment, but honestly it's always changing, and if you guys want to see like something more full coverage or something more natural, let me know and we can totally do that. I think my next video, I just got a collection in the mail, so I think not tomorrow, that's a lie. Next week I think I'll film something. I'm using it on my eyes today, so stay tuned for that. Thanks guys again for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.